Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Oh, this is definitely a good day to maybe go get a cup of coffee, stay inside. It's cold out there.
It is. We haven't warmed up at all this morning. With these clouds, it's going to keep us cool through lunchtime. And we'll also have the cool weather this afternoon, and temperatures are going to be struggling to warm on up.
Definitely no sun out there.
Not much to find anywhere nearby. This afternoon, we're in for a cool day. The morning clouds aren't as thick as they were earlier. We can actually almost see downtown from Channel 2. So cloudy skies, then clearing, but we're still going to have a cool afternoon. Temperatures barely nudging all morning. At noon, about an hour from now, looking at 39 degrees, 41 at 2, and we'll see more sunshine, blue sky toward 5 p.m. and 44 degrees. But this is one of these days that the sun will be coming out so late, we're really not going to have much of a chance to warm up, so we will be remaining cool. 38 degrees, and that's about where we've been all morning. Cloudy skies, a north wind near 10 miles an hour. Around the rest of Green Country, we're mostly in the 30s. A few 40s showing up as well. 40 in Eufaula, 40 Muskogee, 40 McAllister. Upper 30s toward southeastern Kansas, toward McAllister, Coffeyville, and Caney. Bartlesville, 38. 38 in Grove, 40 in Pryor, 40 in Stigler. Wilburton also at 40 degrees. Now, there's no rain showing up anywhere near Green Country. Some of you may have had some mist or some drizzle on your windshield this morning, and that's simply from the clouds being so thick, but certainly nothing measurable or enough to wet the street. We have this cool area of high pressure, which is in control of our weather and keeping the weather largely uneventful for today. Nearest areas of rain are well down to the south in Texas, and that rain is going to remain to our south. If you're traveling into Dallas later on today, you can see some of that rain, but that rain again remaining well to our south. Now here's a look at the clouds. This thick area of gray, these are the low clouds. They're not quite as thick as they were earlier today. We will gradually see these thinning out this afternoon, which will allow some sunshine as well as somewhat milder temperatures. Remaining cool all day with highs in the mid-40s. Colder weather to the west of Tulsa. In fact, out toward western Oklahoma, out toward Alva and Woodward, highs in the 30s all day today. Also colder to the north into Wichita and Kansas City. And if you want to see 50s for highs, I have to travel across the Red River. The computer model forecast, this is interesting to look at because it's been underestimating the clouds we've had this morning, showing more sunshine by this afternoon than rather uneventful weather into tonight. So the bottom line in the forecast for today, yeah, it's cloudy right now, but we'll try to get some blue sky in this afternoon. What there is of the wind is fairly light, and it will diminish even further. We'll see a high temperature of 44 degrees this afternoon with a light north wind. The rest of Green Country, low to mid 40s. Colder temperatures west and northwest, upper 30s toward Ponca and Stillwater. 43 Bartlesville, 43 Tahlequah, McAllister at 47. Now tonight's temperatures will be colder as we'll have clear skies, somewhat drier air and light wind. We'll see a low of 26 in Tulsa. A few lower 20s showing up in the morning. 20 in Bartlesville, 22 in Grove, 23 in Tahlequah, and 27 in McAllister. Now, the 7-day forecast is a fairly active one. Tomorrow looks like the quietest day of the bunch. Looks good for Thursday, 52. Stronger cold front arrives early Friday. We'll see a high temperature in the 40s with a stronger north wind on Friday. Few showers possible towards southeastern Oklahoma, and the weekend is looking cold. We will see lows near 20 for Saturday and Sunday morning with wind. And Saturday afternoon, highs only reaching the upper 30s, and then rain chances returning late Sunday and into Monday. So fairly active weather pattern coming up.
Yeah, a lot could change. Maybe those rain chances will go up just a little bit, hopefully.
You know, also have to watch the temperatures because we're talking about 40s and rain. May have to watch to see if there's a chance for winter weather as well.
I've heard some rumors that storm may not be rain, so we'll wait and see.
Well, we'll keep them as rumors in.
All right. Thank you, George. Well, it could be up to the Supreme